you're taking care of yourself and you're not stressing yourself out on things that you cannot control. This was one of the big things that I put into perspective coming into 2020. I was just like, I'm not going to worry about things that I cannot control, whether it's societal things or relationship things or family things. I cannot worry about things that I can't control, and with this whole pandemic situation, we cannot control any aspect of it, and it leaves a lot of people feeling all over the place, basically feeling like they're losing their minds. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking with your girl. Okay, in today's video I want to talk about mental health, especially since this whole crisis have been going on. I think we need to focus on mental health because a lot of people are losing it, and needless to say that I don't think we're going to be free. We're not free up anytime soon. So we not only need to take care of our mental health, but we also need to take care of our physical and psychological well-being. So let's get into this story. It says the Ministry of Health and Wellness is advising persons with appointments to access services at mental health clinics to keep them. The ministry is reminding the public that clinics remain open island-wide. All persons are being encouraged to keep their assigned dates. Older persons who are to remain at home given the treatment presented by the coronavirus disease 2019 can send someone to collect their prescriptions, said Dr. Kevin Goberlin, Director of Mental Health and Substance Abuse at the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Persons who are not sure about their clinic operation can contact the Ministry of Mental Health helpline at 888-NEW-LIFE or 888-639-5433. Jamaicans who may be feeling overwhelmed by the experience of COVID-19 are also being encouraged to contact the Ministry of Health helpline. It is critical that Jamaicans take care of their mental health at this time. I would urge individuals to do a little self-examination to figure out how you are feeling and coping with COVID-19. And if you feel you need to talk to someone, call our helpline, said Goberlin. For tips on preserving your mental health, you can visit the www.moh.gov.jm.mentalhealth/. So not only that, Jamaica has 469 cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours that was confirmed. Jamaica has also recorded another COVID-19 related death. The deceased is a 72-year-old male patient from the corporate area. 6 new cases. There are 4 males and 2 females with the age ranging from 9 years to 37 years. All the cases are from St. Mary and are contacts of a confirmed case. Of all the cases in Jamaica, some 62% are females, and 38% are males. The ages of all the confirmed cases range from 2 months to 87 years old. There are now 439 patients in isolation and 88 are being quarantined at a government facility. 9 persons have died while 5 additional patients have recovered and have been released from hospital, bringing the total recovered and released to 38. So that's really good. And where I'm at in Florida, we have 79 cases. So I think this is not only a Jamaican thing, but just everybody thing that is being in isolation need to actually take care of their mental health, their mental well-being, their psychological well-being. I know that in the United States, that you have the capacity to still go to your therapist via Zoom meetings, via online forums. So if you can do that, I would strongly suggest you do that. And also, please keep an eye on the males in your family, especially to my Caribbean people. Make sure you're checking in and checking up on the males in your family. Recently, a guy actually killed a child and badly injured another one, and injured a 65-year-old because he lost his job due to this whole pandemic situation, and he basically had a mental breakdown and killed a child. So I'm imploring our Caribbean family to have conversations with the males, because they especially probably are suffering in silence, because they're taught not to talk about their feelings and emotions and stuff, and they're not supposed to show emotions. But in this time that we're living in, they need to talk, they need to vent, they need to talk about what's going on with them in their head. So please keep an eye out on them. And what are your tips and tricks to stay mentally sane, mentally stable? I know for a lot of females have been diving into self-care routines, and also being able to do your hair yourself, do your makeup yourself, do your nails yourself, just figuring out how to maintain yourself while being in quarantine. Cleaning up your house, cooking different meals have been some of the things that a lot of females have been doing. Also, for me, I realized that going outside, getting some sunlight is essential to making sure my mental health is okay. We are privileged enough to have a really nice backyard, so we go out there a lot, just to soak up some sun and for the kids to play and stuff. So that's another tip or trick. If you have a balcony, go out there, sit down, get a drink, watch a movie, Netflix and chill at home, do something, but make sure you're keeping yourself sane and stable. If you need to take a tub with some Epsom salt in your house and chill, have a spa day, have a you day, just don't do anything, just relax, smoke some weed, drink some wine, something, but make sure, because they're not able to control all the aspects of their life like they normally are used to or accustomed to. And also make sure that the kids are good. A lot of kids are actually home with parents that they hate, so you really need to check yourself if you're a parent, and making sure that you're not overdoing the parenting, or being abusive to your child, whether mentally, physically, or emotionally, or being overbearing. They're going through a lot. This is a whole new experience for them also, so please keep that in consideration. If you're a parent, take everything a day at a time. So that is my COVID-19 update for you guys, and checking in and talking about mental health and mental well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.